decided to show everybody my '03 Mercury Marauder. I daily drive this thing. I've had it for 8 years. I love this car. I've always wanted one ever since basically they came out. Now I knew going into this that it wasn't going to be the fastest thing on the planet, and I didn't expect it to be. These things were made in 2003 and 2004. There were only a little bit over 11,000 of these things made. So for those that don't know, the Marauder comes with the 4.6 V8 dual overhead cam 32 valve. Very similar to a motor that's in the naturally aspirated Cobras, Mach 1s, Lincoln Aviators, and Lincoln Mark 8s. People always give you thumbs up. They want to ask you about the car, talk to you about it. And you know, that's pretty cool. So this one here is from Dallas. Like I said, I got it 8 years ago. Drove it back down here to Houston where I live. It had a lot of problems, to say the least. So I fought through all that and trying to just make it reliable. Out of the 8 years I've owned it, it's never let me down other than a fuel pump. A fuel pump went out, which can happen on any vehicle. Took that out, put a Walbro 255, I think it was, and smooth sailing. Everything's good now. The car is tuned by Alternative Auto. It's got a 93 pump gas tune. It's got a JLT intake, AccuFab throttle body, 410 rear gears, Steeda underdrive pulleys. It's got an aluminum radiator. It's got Metco upper and lower control arms, MSD coils. You know, not a whole lot of stuff, just your basic modifications. To me, it's pretty stock. But overall, you know, it's quick for what it is. It's just a fun car. You know, it makes all the right sounds. You know, it sounds really good. I love the way this thing sounds. But other than that, that's pretty much it with it. Everybody always asks me about it. So here it is. I'm showing you it. I tried to sell it about maybe 2 years ago. I was just kind of ready to move on. You know, just, I don't know, seeing what I could get for it. My mind quickly changed because Facebook Marketplace ruined that. You know, I got a bunch of $2,000 offers and, you know, whatnot, a bunch of riff-raff, and I wasn't gonna take that. I got trades. Some guy tried to trade me a damn dog, like a pit bull. So I decided to just keep it. So that was 2 years ago. I have 2 other vehicles, which I'll show eventually. I don't really want to be that guy on YouTube showing all his cars off. I like to focus on just people I know and show their cool cars and just kind of give them that wow factor. And it's fun doing car reviews. You know, you give people like a motivation once they see the video done, and it's fun to do. They're excited, you know, when you're recording their cars, and it's just a really great experience. But yeah, I have 3 cars. I have this one, and I have a 2014 Mustang 5.0. It's a Gen 1 Coyote stick car. I got a 2002 Ford Escort ZX2. That was my first car. I've had that car for 16 plus years. So just to sum it all up, the Marauder is a really cool car Ford used to make. I enjoy driving it as a daily driver, and it's really comfortable. And that's really all that matters.